In this video, I'll show you how to send a template message using WhatsApp Business Cloud integration in TinyCommand. Let's get started. First, double-click on the canvas to open the search modal and search for WhatsApp Business Cloud. From the list, select Send Template Message and add it to your canvas. Now, click on the node to configure it. Before we proceed with the configuration, there are two important things you need. You need a permanent access token and a WhatsApp business account ID. I'll quickly show you where to find these. Go to developer.facebook.com and open your account. From there, select WhatsApp, and inside the dashboard, you'll find options to generate your access token and view your business account ID. Once you have both, come back to your workflow. Now, let's add the connection. Click on Add Connection, give it a name, and then paste your permanent token. After that, enter your WhatsApp business account ID. Once both fields are filled, click on Save Connection. As you can see, the connection is successfully added. Now click on Continue. Next, we configure the node. The first field is Sender ID. From the drop-down, select the Sender ID associated with your connected account. Then comes the Receiver field. Here, you need to enter the recipient's phone number in the required format, as mentioned in the field guidelines. Now, we select the message template. Before selecting it, let me quickly show you how to create a template. Go to your WhatsApp business dashboard. From there, open your account and navigate to the template section. Click on Create Template, choose the category such as marketing or utility, and give your template a name. You can then design the message body, add variables if needed, and once everything is ready, submit it for review. Meta will review the template, and once it's approved, it becomes available for use. Coming back to the workflow, once your template is approved, refresh the node and you'll see your template listed here. Select it. As soon as you select the template, the message body gets automatically populated. If you have dynamic variables in your template, you can map those values from previous nodes based on your use case. Once everything is configured, click on Save and Test. After running the test, you'll see the output showing a success response, which means the WhatsApp message has been sent successfully. And that's how you send a template message using WhatsApp Business Cloud integration. And honestly, all it takes is a tiny command.